High-quality stainless steel, durable elastomers and efficient drives are the three key components of the high-performance Hyghspin screw pumps. Since 2009, Jung Process Systems has been developing and producing these innovative, highly flexible positive displacement pumps. Hyghspin pumps are particularly suitable for transporting sensitive fluids in the food, beverages, cosmetics, pharmaceutical and chemical industries. As a reliable partner to our customers, we are often already involved in system design by the bidding phase, which allows us to provide valuable information for the optimal integration of pump units. This is also true at an international level, since the entire team has a single goal: to optimize production processes and to make applications even safer and more efficient. Our global sales and service network ensures that you can find a contact person in your local area. Our qualified staff is at your disposal for high-quality production and assembly. Each pump is checked before delivery to ensure functional capability and reliability. Jung Process Systems – innovative, solution-oriented and close to our customers.